Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Install Resource Library 1028.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before starting the detailed Install Resource Library 1028 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Install Resource Library 1028, the traditional Chinese 1028 localized resource library for software installers. It houses the text strings and icons for the setup wizard. If missing, the installer will display generic error codes or a UI with missing labels, preventing the software from being installed correctly. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. If the host software cannot locate Install Resource Library 1028.dll, it indicates a corruption in the localized setup resources, traditional Chinese subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Install Resource Library 1028. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Install Resource Library 1028.dll from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below, References, Configuration Considerations for Install Resource Library 1028. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Install Resource Library 1028 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.